Can you describe the pain? What does it feel like? So is it feeling achy and sore to the touch, or would you describe it as take your breath away, sharp pain? So you can actually identify what kind of pain you have by the symptoms that you're feeling. So first, I always say is, when are you feeling it? Are you getting up in the morning and your back feels stiff, but then you move around and it seems to go away? Or do you constantly feel it anytime you do a particular movement or after activity? And then the third one would be, if you kind of feel like it hurts me all the time and it even wakes me up at night, that's really knowing one of those three is important. The second one is, where are you feeling it? Is the low back pain all over your back? Is it just in one area? Or are you feeling like it radiates down into your hips and legs? And then the third one is, can you describe the pain? What does it feel like? So is it feeling achy and sore to the touch? Or would you describe it as take your breath away, sharp pain? Or are you feeling it's more nervy or tingly, or it creates a numbness in your body? Knowing those three things, where, when, and what, can really help you to establish the right type of therapeutic intervention before it becomes a chronic issue.